This is the home level wireless system, wireless alarm. This is the hub. We will try how far the distance we can go. This one is receive the internet connection. This one is between this is radio frequency. So we will see how far this transmitter can go. I mean the vibration, magnetic contact or infrared. So now we do a testing now. Okay. Follow us, we will go to the outside road. Okay, now we proceed to outside road. See how far. This is the block, you can see. Okay. They walk slowly a bit, sharp. Cepat sangat. Nama ikut you. Cameraman also have to ikut you. Okay, let's go. We will see how far the transmitter wireless distance. We will go proceed until the opposite of the road. That's all we will do. We will do the testing, see whether it can go through or not, the wireless. Okay, see the car first before you cross the road. Be careful, stop. Car is coming. Okay, now can go through. Okay, Shah, can you please stand here? We go to this safe position here. Okay, cameraman, see, this is the magnetic contact. I will on first. Please. Okay. Okay, now we can do the testing. Can you open the magnetic contact? Okay, alarm trigger. You can see. You hear the notification? Confirm. From here until the signage here, you can see the green color signage. So far the distance. Okay. Of course, this distance, it all depends on the structure of the building or the house, the design and the structure. If you cannot receive words to words, you can put repeater. It definitely can receive the wireless signal. Thank you very much. Bye bye.